Hello friends, welcome to Capsavi CRM. So today we will learn how to use support function or the ticket function. If you see on your dashboard, there is a ticket summary available which says 11 tickets resolved, 2 tickets assigned, 1 ticket in progress and 1 ticket received. Put together there are total 15 tickets. Now what is meaning of ticket, how it help in business working, we'll see that. It is covered in support. Support function means ticket. Actual meaning of ticket is when you are selling any product or you are providing any services to your customers, they expect the product to be good and they expect services to be good, and there are chances that they may not be happy with your services or with your products. In that case, they will call you and raise their concerns to your team member or to you, or they will log complaint about the product being not functioning. Those kind of things are called as support function or the ticket function. So if you come to support, and whenever your customer calls up to your team member or to you, immediately that person will create a new ticket. That means the new complaint has come. So let us say the call has come. On the subject that the product is not functioning, product not working, or maybe CCTV not working. Let us say CCTV not working. So that means they are saying it is dead, it is not working. So this complaint they have raised. Who has contacted you? Let us say Aditya Kumar has contacted you. So we say Aditya Kumar contacted. Now whom do we assign that ticket? So the complaint has come. Now suppose Roshni is the concerned person who is in charge for CCTV repairing. So we say Roshni Tamboli, this has been assigned ticket. Now these are the function that will go email and all. Which department it belongs to? Let us say it belongs to accounts and finance department. Priority very high or medium priority. Service is required, no, there is not in it, then leave it. Which item? So let us say CCTV item was there, so we say ABC product. So 11,000 rupees ABC product. Which project it belong to? Let us say this project belong to providing seed capital. So now the ticket is created. If you want to attach any file, you can attach file and with respect to CCTV not working or any other thing, or you want to write anything for the person who will be working on this particular ticket, you can write please take up on top priority. So you have conveyed to that person, and now open ticket. So ticket is now opened. Now whoever is working, suppose you are working, the ticket is open. You can add reply, you can add note, or you can check other tickets also. You can create task for that ticket, or you can go to setting and make changes in the ticket itself. So that way now the ticket is there. Now you see what is the progress on that ticket. So that means now this ticket CCTV not working, it is resolved, showing as resolved, which is not correct. So you go to ticket again and say it is not resolved. So let us say ticket is assigned only so far. So now the ticket status changed. If you see here support, now it is showing as ticket assigned, and medium priority, it was created on this particular date. CCTV not working. Now suppose XYZ person, another person comes and he is working on maybe Roshni comes and she is working on this particular ticket. So she will add reply. That means add reply. How do we add reply? Spoke to customer and resolved the issue over phone. Now it is working fine. So she has written everything that it is resolved. Now the status will change to either in progress or so now because it is resolved, so she will change the status to resolve. And if you want to mark to any customer or another person, maybe she can do that. And if she has got some proof that it has been resolved, she can attach the file also, that okay, this is the photograph, now it is working fine, and accordingly she will just add the response. Now the ticket is changed, the status is now changed to resolved. If you see, now it is resolved. So that way you can review the progress of each person also, how it is functioning and all, and accordingly you can see the status of weekly status also, how is the tickets are functioning. So now it is 12, earlier it was 11, now it is 12 resolved, 2 ticket assigned. Suppose we see 2 tickets assigned, that also you can change the status. Online marketing, open the ticket, and go to the reply section, or you can add note also. If it is not finished, you can add, you can see other tickets also. You can add task, let us say add reply, and it is now, let us say, ticket in progress, which we want to change to ticket in assigned. So now it is ticket in progress, so add response. So now it will say on the ticket part support function, so one ticket assigned, two task ticket in progress. Now you come to know on the dashboard itself what is the progress on the ticket, how the customers are happy. So that means 12 customers are happy because their problem has been resolved, only 4 are pending on that particular time. So accordingly you have complete picture on customer delight, customer happiness, or the issues which are pending with the team or the customers. So hope ticket function will be used for customer delight and improvement in the processes. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. We'll see you in some other modules now.